Hi there, students. To pump, a verb. A pump and pumps. So this innocuous, innocent-looking word actually has a lot of meanings in English. Let's see. Let's start with one you may or may not know. Pumps, a type of shoe, a noun. To me as a Brit, pumps are the flat shoes that kids use when doing sport. Yeah, they just slip on, or you tie them. It's a canvas top, yeah, a cloth top and a rubber sole, and these are pumps. However, pumps pumps can also be a type of flat shoe, like a ballet dancer's shoe, without a heel. Or the Americans use pumps for what the British would use a court shoe. So, but it's a shoe with a raised heel, but there's no fastening. You just slip your foot into it. So there you go, pump to start with. Okay, a pump is a piece of equipment to move liquid or gas from one place to another. Okay, so he pumped air into the balloon. Yeah, a petrol pump. The pump prices have gone up a lot over the last couple of months. To pump, to move rhythmically. Yeah, he pumped the air with joy. You could pump somebody's hand. You could shake their hand vigorously. The politician went round pumping people's hands. Yeah, greeting and meeting. You could pump somebody for information. I wanted to know what was going on, so I pumped my friend for information because I knew he knew what was going on. Yeah, if something's pumping, it's going really well. Yeah, the party was really pumping when the police arrived. It was going really well. Sales are pumping this month. Okay, so to pump. Yeah, pumping iron, to push. So this pump, it's got this pump iron, it's got this up and down movement that goes with it. Okay, so to pump, to use a pump to move liquid or gas, to fill with air, to move rhythmically, to shake hands. He pumped my hand. To get information by asking questions. The police pumped him for more information. Yeah, things are really pumping. They're going really, really, really well. And then your pump, various different types of shoe. Okay, so pump. This is probably more difficult than it needs to be. Okay, so a fuel pump, a bicycle pump. A petrol pump. Pump prices are up. Yeah, to pump somebody for information, to keep asking for someone for information, very often in a way that's not completely direct. She was continuously pumping me for details of my latest project. The music was pumping out of the speakers, this continuous loud beat. It's like boom, boom, boom. Yeah, he pumped the air with joy. Okay, so he was really happy about it. A pump action shotgun. Yeah, you pump it, and this is your pumping movement. The blood was pumping in my veins, moving in spurts, but blood was pumping from the wound. Yeah, pump up the volume, increase the volume. Yeah, push it up, pump up, as in pumping iron again. You could pump bullets into a target. Yeah, he pumped various bullets into the barn door. Yeah. The boat was sinking and we had to pump it out as fast as we could. Okay, to pump, to interrogate, to elicit information by constant questioning. Yeah, to pump somebody's hand, to shake their hands. Okay, to pump up a tire, to pump up the volume, to inflate, to increase. Okay, so yeah, my heart was pumping because the heart is a pump. Okay, to make a pump work, to push it, yeah, to exert yourself, yeah, as if you're pumping something. To move in a way that looks like you're using a pump. He pumped the air. Yeah, okay, it's got this backwards and forwards movement. To question persistently. They pumped me for information. Pumps, a type of shoe. Yeah. So to pump weights, to push weights, to lift them up. The brakes on the car weren't working very well, and I had to pump the brakes, push repeatedly. Yeah, he was pumping the brakes to get the car to stop. Wow, that's quite a lot. But you've got lots and lots of examples there. Let's see. He pumped up the balloon. 5 informality. Use it absolutely anywhere. Okay, he was pumping iron. 3.5 informality. My heart was pumping. 4.5 informality. To pump somebody for information. 4.5 informality. Pumps on your feet. You must wear pumps if you go into the gymnasium. 5 informality. Very British for the gym shoe. But there are other types of shoe in American as well. Okay, he pumped the air. I would say 4.5 informality. Things are pumping. They're going really well. 3.5 informality. He pumped the brake. 4.5 informality. Okay, so we need some origin for this word pump as well. Well, it comes from Middle Dutch pomper, or Middle Low German pumper. Yeah, which both have this meaning of to pump something. Okay, so I think that's probably enough. I'm trying to pump my my channel to advertise as well. I probably didn't do that meaning. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Pump.